Glenn Morris here from the Smart Energy Lab. Wow, check this out. I'm at the opening of the new factory for Sigenergy here in Nantong, and it's a huge crowd. They've invited over 2,000 people from around the world. Over 400 from just Australia and New Zealand are here for this amazing event. We're going to see some new products. We're going to tour the factory. We're going to make some new friends. It's a really international audience. And what a day. It's amazing. So Nantong, if you're not familiar, is about an hour or two drive from Shanghai, an industrial area. It's where a lot of amazing stuff is being made, along with Sigenergy. And this brand new factory is just sparkling and ready to produce a whole range of new products. I'm excited. Well, behind me is the Sigen stack. This is a 4-stack system, 21 battery modules, 250 kilowatt hours in a very small footprint. You may have seen my video from Henan, where they did a 6 megawatt hour system. Pretty impressive. Very scalable. The inverters here, they come in like 50 through to 125 kilowatts, 8 MPPT, 2 inputs per string. And they come in both just a grid supply version, the HYA, and one which can be used off-grid or microgrids, the HYB. So they've got that covered as well. And I'm excited because you'll see the installation of the HYB and pretty much the same number of stacks at the Smart Energy Lab probably very soon. Anyway, check it. Well, if you happen to watch the Chinese Gala Festival, you would have noticed this year a whole bunch of robots. Robots really seem to be the theme this year here in China, and they're everywhere. And they're even making cups of coffee for us. A little robot coffee behind me here. There he is. I'm not sure what he's called. Maybe cappuccino? But also they've got the dancing robots up on stage, so we'll probably see a bit of those in a minute too. Well, let's check out the crowd here. Like I said, there's over 2,000 people here from all around the world come to see the new factory in Nantong, Sigenergy's premier factory. It's a really impressive site. And we're going to have a tour in a minute, so you'll get to see a bit of the interior of the factory as well. But there's so many dignitaries all coming to speak here from many, many languages from around the world. So they've got little translators that you can put on your ear, so everyone gets to understand what's going on. An amazing event. Well, they've really got the media event pumping here. Photo booths, opportunities, video booths. Everyone's getting their photo taken in front of the Sigenergy logo. Wow, just a very exciting day. Everything starts with a showroom, of course, which behind me is their green wall. Looks amazing. But what's really exciting is the products themselves. So they showcased their new SigenStor NEO. The SigenStor NEO is kind of like SigenStor Lite. No gateway required, though there is an option for a gateway. It comes in a range of single and three-phase sizes, but doesn't go as big as the SigenStor. They've also got a 6 and an 8 kilowatt hour battery. The unit looks like a very fast to install product. I don't know if I can get close to it. There's a lot of people here looking at the unit. See if I can swing it around for you. So there you go. That's the Sigen Neo. People love it already. It's very slimline and integrated panels, so there's not a separate panels that you attach to the side. They're all part of the same unit. Looks like it's all rear wired, so it makes for a very fast install. G'day. Let's go and look at their microinverters. So it's the microinverter system here. Got a friend with a Pocket 3 standing next to me. So there's the Sigen microinverters. I mean, basically, Sigenergy are doing the full suite of products, everything from microinverters, all-in-one, BESSes, utility scale, and CNI. The utility stuff is still yet to be released, and as is their newest product, which is, I don't think it's even been released yet, which is a balcony power system here. So this is the balcony power system. If you're not familiar with balcony power systems, basically it's a plug-in solution for apartment living. And so this unit can be plugged into a socket outlet and have solar and storage connected. Really, no electricians required, which is pretty cool.